If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2016 Jeep Renegade Latitude in black. With automatic headlamps, cornering front fog lamps, 15-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black side roof rails, rear window wiper and washer, manual 6-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, MySky power retractable panels, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5940A.